Hello, welcome to our English language adventures, Homophones Part 12. This is Jeff. I am Lucy.
Today we will talk about some words that sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings.
They are called homophones.
Over to our teacher, Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom. The first two words are son and son.
It's so nice to see that father and son together down at the sea.
He must have taken his son fishing. I wonder if they caught anything.
S-O-N. Son.
S-O-N. Son.
Son, the male child of a parent. As in, the mother called her son to come and eat dinner. Or as in, Jesus, the only begotten Son of God.
I love to sit here on the rocks and watch the sun rise. It's a beautiful sight.
Yes, but please don't look directly into the sun. It can damage your eyes.
S-U-N. Sun.
S-U-N. Sun.
Sun, a star at the center of a solar system. The source of our daylight. As in, the sun rises in the east. Or as in, it was cold, so he sat in the sun for a while to warm up. We have now learnt about sun and son. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Son, a male child. Sun, the star at the center of a solar system. The next two words are some and some.
Some of these posters are very interesting.
Yes, but some are very old and outdated.
S-O-M-E. Some.
S-O-M-E.
Some, used to indicate an unspecified quantity of something or part of a group. As in, please give some advice on this. Or as in, he shared some of his lunch. Or as in, I ate some of those cookies yesterday.
That is such an easy sum.
A sum for the first grade.
S-U-M. Sum.
S-U-M. Sum.
Sum, the total of two or more numbers added together. Or the action of creating a short version of something. As in, the sum of 2 and 2 is 4. Or as in, the story was a long one, so he had to sum it up in a few words. We have now learnt about some and some. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Some, a part of something. Sum, the total of a few numbers or the creation of a short version of something. The last three words are there, and there.
Look, it's the new kids and the dog going for a run.
You still have to show me where their house is.
T-H-E-I-R. There.
T-H-E-I-R. There.
There, belonging to, or associated with them. As in, that is their house. Or as in, they are busy with their homework.
There are a number of castles in this area, but that is the one we are visiting.
I can't wait to get there.
T-H-E-R-E. There.
T-H-E-R-E. There.
There, a place, or an introduction to a statement or subject. As in, look at that funny car over there. Or as in, there was a loud explosion.
Look at all these people in the queue here. I wonder what they're queuing for.
They're all waiting to attend a music concert.
T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. There.
T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. There.
They're short for they are. As in, they're on their way to the airport. We have now learnt about there, and there. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. There, their house or their way. There, a place or an introduction. There, abbreviated, they are. See you in the next video. Bye for now.